Meaning of disapproval.
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 Disapproval. Disapproval refers to a negative evaluation or judgment of someone or something, often indicating that the person or thing is unsatisfactory or undesirable. It can be expressed through various means, including verbal communication, body language, or other forms of expression. The result of disapproval can vary depending on the context and severity of the disapproval, but may include lower morale or self-esteem, loss of trust or respect, or decreased social or professional opportunities. Ultimately, disapproval can have negative impacts on individuals or groups who experience it.